If your Italian citizenship claim goes through a woman before 1948, you may think the new 2025 reform has just killed your chances. But is it really true? I'm Carlo Pontei and I'm an Italian lawyer. And in this video, I'll explain what the 2025 reform changes and what doesn't for 1948 cases. If you care about your rights, stick with me until the end. And if you're serious about Italian citizenship, hit subscribe now. We cover legal updates, strategies, and real case studies every week. What is a 1948 case? A 1948 case means your Italian ancestor is a woman and her child was born before January 1st, 1948. Until recently, these cases were not recognized administratively and required a court petition. Thanks to Italian Constitutional Court, things have changed. Now it's well established that these claims can be recognized in court, even if the ministry still tries to oppose them. Does the Law 74/2025 change anything for 1948 cases? No, directly. Article 3 bis of the new law only applies to people submitting new applications and has nothing to do with gender-based discrimination from the past. But here's the catch. The political and institutional climate has changed. The Ministry of the Interior has already started fighting harder against judicial cases, including 1948 cases, using questionable legal arguments and procedural delays. Where is the real danger? Not in the law itself, but in how the law is interpreted. I kept saying this so many times, I know. But we are already seeing demands to prove no naturalization even for female ancestors, objections based on jurisdiction or retroactivity, cases being dismissed for technicalities, and that's why 1948 cases now require more precision, stronger legal arguments, and deeper strategy. How to protect your 1948 case? File through courts with a constitutional and jurisprudential strategy. Use the latest ruling of the Corte di Cassazione, just like the sentence of the 2024. We have a couple of important sentences, the 3564, the 5518, retroactive recognition to the ancestor. We have the decision of the Corte Costituzionale number 30 of 2020. The gender-based discrimination is unconstitutional. Avoid procedural traps with solid legal support. At Mangata Avvocati, we've helped clients from the US, Brazil, Argentina, and Australia win 1948 cases, even in difficult courts. Your 1948 case is not dead, but in 2025 it needs to be stronger, smarter, and faster than ever. If you want to protect your right to Italian citizenship, book a personal consultation today. Link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We fight for your rights every single week.